Really, I'm so happy because last month, 24th, I got heat hurdle and I was stumble. I got grade 2 tear. So I only did 3 sessions, only did 3. So from there I came to federation so that in this position also I have to fight for myself. So if I'm doing in this position a 13-0, 12-9, then I will have a better confidence for Olympics because everybody is in fighting themselves, but mind game is very important. So now I came for this competition only for the mind improvement, and I'm really happy. Actually, in 1 week back I can't able to run. It was a grade 2 tear and I can't able to pick my knees. So but with my team, Reliance Foundation, they was back of me and they always treat me very well and they improve my strength from their concentrating from other way to next level. So I am pretty happy really because in this situation I can able to run 13-0 means if I am fit enough then I will do 100% Olympic qualification. I know I can do, but I am waiting for my time. That's
How
it.
close are you to like getting full fitness back?
I'm quite good. It's not 13:03, 13:06. It's not bad timing. I think so. So just in 2-3 weeks I'll be back. Yeah.
Jyoti, after this, will you join the team straight away, or
100%.
you will run another competition in between?
Actually, I will talk with federation team. So because they will giving a good competitions for me. So Banod sir and Adil sir, my coach, will decide what to do the next step. So I will go according to that.
Jyoti, can you tell us a bit about how it's been working with James all this while and how important has his support been in getting your levels up and performing as good as you've been doing in the last 1 year?
Yeah, if you saw the this year performance mine, it was in starting of the indoors. I got hamstring pull. From there I got a blood clot, and 1 week I went Asian indoor and I win the medal. And after that again I got a stumble in Finland. So from there again after 1 month rest I came and do this. So I want to really thanks to Reliance team and Tops and Federation Cup because they are sending me outside of the country and they are giving good specialists for me to understand what is the competition outside also, and they are treating me very well. They are believing me, AFI and Tops in Reliance. So because of them I'm really going what I want to be and what I want to achieve. So I'm really happy. I want to really thanks to Federation, Reliance and Tops.
And about your coach, James, how's it been working with him?
Today I'm running 13:06 because of him, because it's not only the training, it's all the mindset. Because he never teach me to beat someone or run what you can't be. He always goes step by step. He teach me how to manage yourself. So that is the main important. So preparation, everything we'll do. When we are going to the competition, we have to manage our minds. So that is my great power from James. So he's the pillar of me to teach the things, how to improve. And before this race also, he never talk about the medal. He always talk, what can you do in the track and be injury free. That's it. I am strong and I am fast now. I'll do my best.
Jyoti, can you repeat once again? You got grade 2 tear. You got as in how? Where did you pick it up in training or?
In Finland, where I did the
Where you
12.78.
tripped on that last?
Yeah, last hurdle. So I got a misbalance from there. So I came to the India back and I did MRI from there. So but because of my coach, my Reliance team and Tops Federation team support, so I came very fast track and I did my best over there.
So it's a grade 2 tear in your.
It's like here.
Okay, hip in your
Yeah.
hip.
Jyoti, you talked about your mindset. So is there a special focus on mental coaching also, psychological? I mean, are you doing something?
It's not like a special focus. I can say how surroundings we are. So the people who are talking the positive way, I will take from there. If anything talking negative, I will hear and I will go. That's
Okay.
it. Yeah. Thank you.
Accept the good and ignore the bad. Huh?
I don't think so that is bad. I will take from them. Then whatever I want, I will take. What I don't want, I will go.
Okay. Thank you so much, Jyoti.
You thought you could have made the direct qualification, just you missed by a fraction of a second. So you thought you could have done it?
100% I can do. And still I believe I will do in next few competitions. Again, I will do my personal best. Then just it's all time. It's all our day. That's it. I'm good enough. Thanks to God that I'm back again soon. And I'm doing good. Yeah. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Guys. Thank you.